Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. So within this walk around video we're of course going to show you around the overall condition of this vehicle, talk to you a little bit about the interior and exterior optional features and extras, and of course I will take a seat inside the vehicle and show you a bit more in depth of the interior itself. And of course we aim to bring you an informed, helpful purchasing tool within this video. So without further ado, we'll go on to the car itself, which is a 430D M Sport Gran Coupe and is presented in the carbon Schwarz or carbon black as we like to call it. The vehicle itself, we've also added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house, alongside having the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. All the way around, the alloy wheels have the Bridgestone RFT tyres, and they're also in a very good condition. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it has the facelifted headlights along with the rest of the facelift equipment, which we'll get to very shortly. You'll also see it is a 2017 plate. And making our way down the side of the vehicle, we've got the sun protection glazing on this vehicle, which you'll see on the rear windows, along with the gloss black air breathers, satin sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving for our first glance at the interior, where you'll see we've got the very special black Dakota leather with oyster highlights. So as you can see down the central portion of the seats, you get these lovely long striped oyster highlights and the oyster stitching throughout. Not only do you have that very special effect on the seats themselves, we've also got the electric movement and memory for driver's side, along with the heated seat function as well. The interior is just as nicely presented as the exterior on this vehicle, so all are nice and clean and tidy. And you'll see in the rear you have an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and if you've not yet already seen or even sat in a 4 Series Gran Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space and room of all of the interior has, along with that very special darkened M Sport headlining that you get equipped on, of course, the M Sport models, including this one, of course. Making our way towards the rear of the car, we have the facelift rear lights, which again bring a very nice aggressive look to the rear of the car, both high gloss rear diffuser and rear spoiler. I'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which is again a very useful feature to find. We have a very large boot space along with split folding seats to again further enhance that very large space. Making our way around to the other side of the car, I can again show you how highly and nicely presented this vehicle really is, and how well the carbon Schwarz metallic does come out. So you'll be able to see there upon the front door just how much of a colour shifting effect the paint is. So between a dark blue and a black, often confused for more of a darker colour. However, in certain lights it will change colour, which is often a nice feature about this particular exterior colour. Moving on towards the interior features, where we'll find the memory controls, of course, as mentioned earlier. And I'll go ahead and I'll just take a seat inside, where as you can see we're greeted by the professional widescreen sat-nav and media screen, currently displaying, of course, the sat-nav feature. And it is definitely by far one of the most user-friendly systems on the market, giving you real-time traffic updates as well to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of your multimedia, you get DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the music collection. External devices keeps you covered for everything from your USB right through to your Bluetooth audio. It has also got Bluetooth telephone as well. And heading back to the main menu, as part of that facelift, they introduced the separated menus. So as you can see, again, just making things that little bit easier for you to navigate and a little bit nicer on the eye. The vehicle itself has covered just over 32,000 miles. Also comes equipped with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all situated on the very nice ergonomically correct multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And then we'll quickly take a look at the vehicle service status and service requirements. As you can see on screen now, everything highlighted in the green OK symbol, meaning everything has got plenty of service life left in, 6,000 miles till the next oil service. And clicking up to the service history display, as you can see there, we've got 2 services at BMW, including the pre-delivery inspection service, dual climate control, and as I've mentioned, we've got the heated seats as well on this car. So again, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around and found it useful, and of course hopefully it will help you make an informed purchasing decision upon your next car. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You will of course also find all of the relevant contact information and website links in the description, where you can further check out this vehicle on our website. Also, you'll be able to get in touch with us here directly at Your Next Car. Most of all though, we do hope to see yourselves very, very soon. Most of all though, do take care, stay safe, thank you, and goodbye.